All my life, I have searched for this one thing called love. Most of my days have been spent reaching, yearning, aching to understand what love truly means. I have tried to learn how to receive love and how to give it back. Like a butterfly blossoming out of darkness into fragile light. All my life I have cried for love, even the motherly kind of love, the first kind every child is born needing. Once, someone told me that the love I felt pounding inside my chest was nothing but a cruel trick of the mind. And so I began seeking a love deeper than illusion, a love that nurtures the soul, that asks nothing in return, the kind of love willing to give everything, freely, forever. Not just a desire, but a need to live, to feel, to be held tenderly in a world full of endless desolation. Can a woman forget her nursing child and not have compassion on the son of her womb? Surely they may forget, but I, the Lord, will not forget you. Even in the darkness of tribulation, loneliness and gloom, the Creator of every living thing has promised. In His hands is the life of every living thing and the breath of all mankind. He opens His hand and satisfies the desire of every living thing. Can you hear it? Can you feel it? Can you translate it? Even from time to time, you are designed and assigned with everlasting love. By His word, a covenant was signed in eternity. He shall never forsake you. He shall never forget you. His love is eternal, unbreakable, free. You are fearfully and wonderfully made, crafted in His image, sealed by His integrity. So sing a hymn, rejoice again in Elohim, humble yourself and worship Him, abide in endless comfort of His light, a light that will never dim. His word is true, eternity is written on scrolls of scripture. As it is written, the just shall live by faith. And so from this day on, we shall abide in faith, hope, and love. And the love within me will extend into my hopes and my dreams. My words of faith will rise in action. For I believe the Spirit within me can move mountains. But without the love of God, I am simply nothing. I long to drink from the living waters of Jesus' love, the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end. Think about that. Beginning is His name. End is His name. Everything belongs to Him. And it will all be revealed through His love for us, as His existence is proven by the beauty of His creation. In its simplicity, love becomes the sacrifice you are willing to make for those you cherish most. The love Jesus revealed to all humanity. He demonstrates His own love toward us, in that while we were still sinners, Christ died for us.